Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix RAM issues. First, a simple restart can often resolve minor memory glitches, so try that. Next, power down your computer and open the case. Carefully check if your RAM sticks are loose or not fully seated. Gently press down on both ends of each module until the clips snap into place. This easy step often fixes many common problems. If reseating doesn't work, it's time to test your RAM's health. Use the built-in Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Just type memory into your search bar to find it. If you have multiple RAM sticks, test them one by one to pinpoint the faulty module. Remove all but one, run the diagnostic, then swap. This helps isolate the problem quickly and efficiently. For persistent issues, consider updating your motherboard's BIOS. Check your manufacturer's website for the latest version and installation instructions. Sometimes, adjusting RAM voltage or timings in the BIOS can stabilize performance, but proceed with caution. Also, use compressed air to thoroughly clean your RAM slots, as dust accumulation can interfere with proper contact. These steps require a bit more technical comfort. To prevent future RAM issues, ensure your computer case has excellent airflow to keep components cool. Overheating can degrade RAM performance over time. Also, avoid installing more RAM than your motherboard officially supports, as this can lead to instability. Regularly check for dust buildup and clean your system. And speaking of cleaning, for an effortless home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Keeping your system clean helps everything run smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.